Freddie Marchant with Splash Omnimedia. In today's Marketing Minute, we're going to talk about employee recruitment, specifically teacher recruitment. In today's job market, it's more competitive than ever and harder to attract the right people, the right talent for the right spots on your bus. So two of the tactics for teacher recruitment that we're going to talk about today are job fair or trade show banners. Here's a great example of two different sizes. Not only are they beautifully designed by Splash Omnimedia, but they're lightweight, easy to manage, and they're also two-sided. That way you get to tell your story the way you want it to be told. Another thing to do to appeal to young millennials and other professionals that want to change their job and get into the teaching profession are media kits. These are great professionally done folders. You can tell your story specifically with different rack cards included, and that way they have something to take with them that make you more attractive choice in today's job market. Thanks for listening to Splash. See ya.